Hare Krishna. Our time in life is going at a very fast pace. None of us can stop it. We cannot get even a moment of our life, even if we spend millions of rupees. We are very fortunate that we have got this human form of life within 84 lakh species of life. Within this life, our time is also fixed. In fact, it is also fixed how many breaths we are going to take within this life. Michael Jackson, he wanted to live 150 years and he spent millions of dollars to do so, but he could not be successful. We all know that most of the time of our life is spent in either taking care of the needs of the body or the family, searching for the happiness within this world, spending time with family, friends, relatives, or watching news or doing some social activities. A question: whether all such engagements tantamount to wastage of time in life or not? To get an answer to this question, we need to understand who has given us this life or the very time within this life. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Sarva Yoneshu Kaunteya Aham Bija Prada Pita. Among all the species of life, I am the seed-giving father. So since God has given us this life, it is the very first right on this life is of God. How our time should be utilized within this life is to be decided by God. Let's take an example. When we are working in an organization, how our time should be utilized is to be decided by our reporting manager. And if we spend our time on social media, talking over telephone, or not really focusing on the work being assigned to us, then we are simply wasting time in life. So how our time should be utilized? So as we discussed earlier, our time of life should be utilized in understanding God and developing our relationship with God. No matter how much busy we might be within this world in taking care of our family, friends, or performing different duties and obligations within this world, if we are not spending our time in understanding and developing our relationship with God, then we are simply wasting our time in life. Shram eva hi kevalam. So there are some people in society who advocates that if we simply worship God for 1 minute, that's enough. So something is better than nothing, but it is not ideal, and we should not just restrict ourselves to 1 minute. So the God who has given us this very life, we are just giving him 1 minute out of 1440 minutes in a day. It seems quite irrational and illogical. And the concept of this very 1 minute giving 1 minute to God in life, from where this concept is originated is also not clear. So it is not appreciable and it is not justifiable to just give a minute to the very person who has given us this entire life. So the choice is ours, whether we want to use our time wisely or we want to waste our time of this very human life. The time we spent in taking care of the needs of our body, family, and performing different duties and obligations within this world is justifiable, provided in parallel we spend our time in understanding and developing our relationship with God. Let's take an example. All this time that we spent in different duties and obligations of this world can be compared with different zeros. Like spending time for family can be considered as 1 zero, then spending time for society can be considered as 1 zero, and then searching for our own happiness in this world can be considered as 1 zero. And all these zeros are meaningless if one is not prefixed before all the zeros. So what is that one? That one is we need to spend our time in parallel in understanding and developing our relationship with God. And once we prefix one before all the zeros, then all the zeros becomes valuable. So we must use our time wisely by understanding and developing our relationship with God. If we do not do so, then Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Kala Kalyatamaham. That means among subduers, I am time. And with the passage of time, all of our possessions in the form of health, wealth, prosperity, prestige, power, everything gets destroyed. And finally, our life also gets destroyed. So, we must use our time wisely by understanding God. In parallel, we can continue to perform our duties and obligations. But let's remember a thumb rule. Such duties should not take all the time of our life. Thank you very much.